Good morning, student. Most of you are having confusion regarding that how to send the homework to the teacher, how to attempt the paper, how to attach the PDF file or any photograph. So it is very easy. First thing is that you can send any PDF or picture only when your teacher generate a link. So when your teacher generate a link or any test is scheduled for that, you can attach the file or you can attach any photo. So first thing, when you log into your account, please log in always using the user ID and password that your teacher is providing. Otherwise, this will not be visible on your screen and you will not be connected to the school interface. So after this, you will click here on this access your homework. It will take you to the new page. For that you must be having any browser. When you will open this page, here this is the timeline. You can go according to the test, like you want to do Hindi test, English test. You can go through this timeline. This I am talking about timeline and courses. You can short the timeline according to courses also. If you short it by courses and you want to attempt maths test, so definitely here you will go to the maths section. It is just like your bag. Here this is the maths section. It will open all the things which are available in your maths, like first is question mark, all the question mark. These are the icon for the test or any homework. These are the flip learn content, and this is the Zoom link with the light blue color. Here time and date is also mentioned. Again, this is the PDF file, solutions given. This is the solution, and tests are mentioned here date wise. This is the demo test for understanding how you can attach the file. When you will click on the test, it will open. All the instruction are given here, like the test is starting on the 2nd September 10:14 and it will end on 11:14. Time is also mentioned here, time is also mentioned, and attempt only one. So please take care. And this is the link from where you can get the question paper. When you will click on the link, you can download your question paper, and when you open, sometime it is downloadable, that depend on the teacher. If it is possible that you can download, then teacher will allow to download. This is the download file. From here you can solve the question, you can take the question. That depend on the teacher setting, that whether that document is only the link you can see or you are allowed to download. So here I have done a download. From here you can see the question and then solve. After solving the question, definitely you will solve on paper. I suggest all of you better don't type for any subject. Please attempt on the paper, because your final exam are in regular exam you are attempting on papers. So please follow the same thing. And when you attempt on paper, then two things. First is you can make PDF file of your paper, or so after solving, if your notes are ready, start attempt. Sometime that link is visible here. When you start attempt, sometime the link is visible here, and in this test I have given earlier. So that depend on the test, but you must have a link here or a picture here where your questions are available. Then after attempting the question on the question paper, when you scroll down, you will get this icon, this plus icon. This will help you to upload the file. You will click on this. It will give this option, choose file. When you will click on choose file, here again two options, one is camera, one is file. If you open the camera, you can click the picture of your solution and then you can upload. I will show you how you can do this. Suppose this is my file. If I open the camera, suppose this is the solution, just for example. You will click the picture, then OK, and upload. This icon upload the picture. It will take hardly 1 minute and upload your document. Now you scroll down, this picture is visible. Make sure your icon is visible here. Now I will show you how you can upload the PDF. Again you will click here, then choose file, then you will go to file. Any PDF file I will take from here, any PDF file. Suppose I want to upload this. Here is also the icon, then upload the file. It is taking little bit time, and you can see here both the files are uploaded. If by mistake I uploaded the wrong file, I can delete any one. One file I will delete and show you. Suppose I want to delete this PDF file, so I will click on this file only once, and from here I will get the option download and delete, and I will delete from here. It will ask, is it confirmed? Now you can see the file is deleted. After that you will click on the finish attempt. Then again it will ask submit all and finish. Please make sure you click on this icon also. Submit all and finish. Now you can see here your picture is uploaded. If I uploaded PDF file also, then it will show here both the icon. So please make sure it is visible here, and rest all things yet it is not graded by the teacher, and it take 2 minutes 30 second time at what time I attempt. All things you can see. Sometime you are saying, ma'am, I uploaded the file. So please make sure it is showing here. Only then it is confirmed you uploaded the file or not. So I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you very much.